Welcome to Fabric Monday. Today we'll talk about using parameters in real-time dashboards. Let's discover how to do it. Here I have a real-time dashboard. This dashboard is based on taxi rides, New York taxi rides, and is summarizing the taxi rides according to the pickup location. Let's see how we can parameterize this query and make this query more flexible. This is a query that we are using. This query involves the location of the tax ride, but the location is also broken down in boroughs. Let's take a look on how many boroughs do we have. Here it is. We have a total of 7 boroughs. In fact, 6 because one is unknown. Let's discover how to filter the result of this query according to the borough and how to make this filter parameterized. First, in the real-time dashboard, let's edit the real-time dashboard. Let's create a new parameter. New parameter, add the name of the parameter will be borough. Parameter type. This parameter will accept a single selection. Variable name. Once the user selects the value of the parameter, this value will be stored in a variable, and this variable can be used in the queries. So variable name, borough. Data type is string. This is a string data type. Show on pages. We can have multiple pages in our real-time dashboard. I can show on all pages or select only one page to show the parameter. The source value for the parameter will be fixed values or a query. It will be a query. I will build a query to retrieve the source values for the borough parameter. From which data source? My ingestion. Query results. Let's edit the query, and now I'll get the query which returns the borough and copy it here. That's it. Add the query. Okay, it identified the query. Now I can select the value is the column borough, and the label will also be the column borough. An option to select all? No. Let's show each one at a time. Would I like to start with the default value? Let's start with Queens. Done. In this way, the parameter is created. And you can see the parameter in the top of my real-time dashboard. Borough. Queens. I can open this option and it shows me the options of the boroughs, which are retrieved by the query, by the KQL query that I built. But this is not being used by anything. There is no use until now. We need to edit the query on our tile and add the filter by borough. Now we can see the query. Let's add the filter by borough on this query. The best place to add this filter is inside the subquery. The subquery decides which locations will be displayed. So inside the subquery we need to add the filter by borough. But to add the filter by borough we need to join the subquery with the locations table. And the join is made by the PU location key, which needs to be converted by integer. Then I will add the join, and finally I will add the filter by borough, where borough equal underscore borough. That's it, and we have our query. Let's execute. So our query is executing, and we are seeing the result of the query for Queens. We can change the borough to test, for example, Manhattan. And there it is, we see different zones from the different boroughs. Let's apply changes and conclude the editing, viewing and save the results. That's it. Now our environment is parameterized by borough. You can choose the borough, Queens, Manhattan, unknown, and it shows us the zones and the rides on the zones according to the information we have on the data. In this video, we saw how to parameterize a real-time dashboard and use this parameter in the tiles of the real-time dashboard. And the parameter was created based on a query using KQL. Thank you very much for watching and see you next week.